Nom 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 nom. Let's add a custom food to Minecraft. Minecraft modding courses with close to 100 topics ranging from custom tools and armor to custom block entities all the way to custom mobs, linked in the description below. Right. We found ourselves back in the chat once more, and in this tutorial we're going to be adding a custom food to Minecraft. And it is going to be a tomato, and it is going to be absolutely freaking fantastic. To add a custom food item to Minecraft, in the item package, we will need to make a new Java class, and we'll call this the mod food components, as this is where we will define every one of the properties that this food possesses. And this is going to be a public static final food component. I'm going to call this the tomato, and we will make this a new food component.builder right here. It already suggests this to us, and we can then say, okay, how much hunger does this have? You can even say, is this always edible? Is this a meat? Is this a snack? And we can even add a status effect, which we will see in just a moment. But first of all, adding the hunger here, let's call this a 3 hunger, and the saturation modifier is going to be 0.25. I think that's fair. And then we can add a build right here. Or if you want to be adventurous, you can also add a status effect right here. So you can see we can make a new status effect instance of status effects dot, and then we can add a status effect, a tomato. What would that give you? How about this gives you a little bit of luck over here? I think that's pretty good. And you can also add the length, in this case, the duration. This is going to be in ticks. So this would be 10 seconds. And then the second parameter in the status effect method is going to be the chance. So let's call it a 25% chance here that you get the luck effect when you eat the tomato. For vanilla values of all sorts of vanilla food, you middle mouse button click on the food component, middle mouse button click again, and you go into the food components class, which has every single vanilla food available to you to take a look at, both in terms of the hunger and the saturation modifier it provides, but also the status effects. So for example, a chicken, this is a raw chicken. When you eat it, it has a 30% chance of giving you the hunger effect. Even though sometimes it feels like it's a little bit more, the code doesn't lie. So highly recommended to take a look at this particular class over here, and then we can proceed in the mod items class. Because of course we still need to make the tomato item. For this, we'll just copy over the raw Ruby, and we will rename this to tomato, and then here the same thing, tomato, and this is just a new item. The only thing that changes is the fabric item settings. On those, we call the food method, passing in mod food components.tomato, and there we go. With that, we got our custom food item. We can now add it to the creative mode tab. I also added the translation and the item model JSON file, as they are completely normal and nothing spectacular for them. And then we can copy over the texture in this case, which is of course going to be available to you for download as well. And that's everything we need to do. So let's jump into the game and eat some tomatoes. Alright, we found ourselves back in Minecraft, and as you can see, the tomato has been successfully added, and let's eat some of it. And there we go. It fills up 1.5 legs of hunger over here. That's going to be very interesting indeed. And we can eat another one. And there we go. And we even got the luck effect. There we go. We got the luck of the draw, and now we're even luckier. Absolutely amazing. And that is a custom food item added to Minecraft. And it of course restores 1.5 legs of hunger, because half a leg of hunger is represented by 1 over here in this case. That should hopefully explain that as well. But that's going to be for this tutorial right here. Next time we'll add a custom fuel item to the game. Hope to see you there. So yeah.